strawberries will probably push right through till May.
It's like, oh, give me a gnocchi recipe like this. He said, oh, next time you come in, tell me and I'll bring some gnocchi in. And he did.
Nectarines are sort of, they have a 2 week where they pick them for 2 weeks and then they're on to the next variety.
variety.
And you can't store them or anything.
They will swing between about $6 a kilo and about $18 a kilo.
So they're trying to save the Jewfish, but then they're trying to...
That we're about that ethos, that everything has its place here. It's not texture, flavour into the white wine. So anyone want to try one?